In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lift subject from photo with Canva Magic Grab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to isolate a person or object from a photo so you can move it freely while Canva intelligently fills in the background. This is perfect for creating dynamic layouts, thumbnails, and polished social posts without jumping into complex photo editors. Start with your design open in Canva and make sure the photo you want to work with is already on the canvas. First, click the image. You'll see a bounding box and handles appear, which tells you the photo is selected and ready for editing. This simple click is important because the next tools only show up when an image is actively selected. Now look for the Edit control. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Edit Photo in the top toolbar or as an edit option in the side panel. Click Edit to open Canva's Photo Adjustment and Effects panel. This is where all the image enhancement and AI-powered tools live, including the one we'll use today. Inside the Edit panel, find the Tools section. If you only see a few options at first, click See All to reveal everything. This expands the full collection so you can access the AI features that aren't immediately visible. From the expanded list, click Magic Grab. When you turn it on, Canva analyzes your image and prepares it for subject selection. You're not cutting anything out yet. You're simply activating a mode that can identify and separate the main subject while maintaining a believable background. Next, click on the object you want to lift from the photo. Aim for the center area of your subject for the most accurate selection. Canva uses that click to understand what you mean by the subject, so choosing a clear, high-contrast area helps. If the subject has detailed edges like hair or fur, don't worry. Magic Grab is designed to interpret edges intelligently. Finally, click Grab. Canva will isolate the subject and turn it into a movable element while automatically filling the space it leaves behind. You'll notice you can now drag, resize, and reposition the lifted subject independently of the original background. If something doesn't look right, you can undo and try clicking a slightly different spot on the subject, or zoom in for a more precise pick. That's it. Click the image, open Edit, expand tools with See All, choose Magic Grab, click your subject, and then hit Grab. With these steps, you can quickly craft clean, professional compositions without any extra hassle. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Magic Grab.